So what happens here? Nakalagay na siya. Let's click on Command A o select all para po makuha natin yung lahat ng empty layer na yon. What happens here is that if I click on generative fill, i-akit ko lang yung textual bar para makita po ninyo. I can do is that I can use this partner model. Let's say hanap tayo dito. Let's do Gemini 2.5, for example. Let's do Gemini 2.5. I can easily prompt something like make the model use the clothes and pose in a dynamic tanggalin ko yung pose kasi nasabi ko na dun eh, and position in a dynamic pose. So what happens here? Tignan nyo. What happens here is that if I click on generate, it's going to use Gemini 2.5. And tignan nyo po kung ano mangyayari. It's using your generative credits. And imagine you can easily create possibilities with your marketing collaterals by just incorporating what we call ingredients dun sa ginagawa natin images. Hintay lang natin ng konti ah. Ayun na. Diba? What's your take on this? Although medyo mali yung yung orientation ko. Kasi dapat ang orientation ko kanina naka-portrait. So as you would see, you can easily generate images based from a reference image and then combine it with a specific image na katulad nung nilagay natin dito.